Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Five Finds, and we have got an unboxing to do today. I'm Steph, and I do an unboxing on this channel from time to time. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings or go on an adventure. I do some traveling, not as much as I used to, unfortunately, but I do some traveling. And I also do some gaming vlogs, which is how I afford my luxury, is one jackpot at a time. So, this unboxing today is from Tory Burch. Tory is a phenomenal designer that specializes in resort wear and always does an amazing job on packing. It is considered contemporary fashion. I say high-end contemporary. So there's our beautiful box. Our goodies. And they usually send a gold stamp and a beautiful little card. Thank you. It is a thank you card. So when I got in this order in the semi-annual sale, this is my receipt. And we got a lovely pair of shoes boxed there, and handbag. And so we'll take our goodies out and put our box over here to the side. So this is the handbag, and we'll get it. I know you say it's supposed to say best for last, but they're both good items. I really am excited about both of these. I think these were some great purchases. And you'll find out why here in just a moment. On the LV Remix collection, I did order 2 pieces from that collection, and I'm waiting their arrival, and we'll do an unboxing on those when those come in. But I didn't do a whole lot on that collection. I think it's beautiful. I think they're cool. But they're just not an everyday functionality. You know, I couldn't picture that for me. I think that Tory has the big slouchy drawstring denim bag that has silver hardware. Love it. It's beautiful. It's about $900. And I just think it's beautiful and along the same line. But it got me going down the rabbit hole of denim bags. And then I just realized, looking at them in use and everything, that they're just really not, I just haven't found anything that struck me. Believe it or not, I have an older Coach bag that is a denim bag that is just beautiful, classy, has the right amount of tan leather on it, in the places that I wanted the tan leather and everything, and some of the bags are just not structured enough for me or something. I love the Crescent and the denim, but the other bags are just a little too slouchy or something. I don't know. There's a little dumpling bag that's cute as it could be, like that. But I don't know. Anyway, back to the unboxing of the Tory Burch, and my throat has been sore, so if you can hardly hear me, I am so sorry. I realize that I get to mumbling, and but yeah. So this is the beautiful Tory Burch bag. It's the Crescent Fleming, I think. And I'm not wild about contrast piping. Particularly on these types of bags. And this had a very minimal amount of the contrast piping, in which they did a good job on the glazing, on contrast glazing. So that's just a very little black contrast glazing there. She has a magnetic closure, had me at hello. Love, love, love. This is not really a full flap. Now that's gonna crack and wear over time, I'm sure, but not as much as a full flat bag would have. I give it that. And because I'm not a big flat girl, I don't really like flat pocketbooks. That's just something else. I mean, I'd throw would get in the pocketbook. So, and there again, like I said, I'm not really a big fan of contrast glazing, but this is nice. It's a nice strap. And it does have silver hardware. Okay. And it does have an adjustable crossbody. And a big old whopping chain, which is exactly why I got the bag. I've just been dying for a bag with a big chunky chain. And Louis Vuitton has dropped some great ones lately, and made my mouth water, not gonna lie. But I'm trying to save my money and do some other things with my money right now, and build my bank back up to be able to afford one of the new bags that I want, like the Crescent and the denim, which I think is for that particular style a great deal, if you want to say that, on that bag. So, compared to the other ones. and I really like that one. But like I said, what used to be would be a jackpot or two for me is now 3 or 4 jackpots. So there's your price increase, you know what I mean? So that sets some of us back, I'm sure. And I'm not ashamed to say it. But just beautiful, 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 thick, chunky chain. Oh my Lord. Yes, that is a big, old, thick, beautiful, chunky chain. Oh, just darling. And I've seen several shorts on the unboxings of these. And I just fell in love. And it has a tan cloth interior with a 2-card slot leather pocket on the interior that's stamped in silver Tory Burch. And it is adorable. Oh my God, y'all. And well done. Very well executed. And this was the steal for the price that I got it. And I was afraid that this little thing was not going to be removable because it looks that way on the website. But the crossbody strap is removable. So she's supposed to just hook it into the and I just love it. Just love, love, love it. And the leather is just nice and smooth, but it has the pattern to help keep the leather from getting scratched. It has the Tory T here monogram. That is just too cute. This looks like a very high-end bag. I mean, that is just darling. Okay, it does have D-rings